Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. If you've ever thought, I understand English, but I'm too afraid to speak, this video is made for you. I know how hard it can feel when the words are in your head, but speaking them out loud feels like climbing a mountain. Let me share something personal. I used to feel this way too when I started learning English. I'd understand everything, but freeze when it was my turn to speak. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone, and it's completely normal. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the reasons behind this fear and, more importantly, how to overcome it. Together, we'll learn practical tips, do speaking exercises, and build your confidence. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the reasons behind this fear and, more importantly, how to overcome it. Together, we'll learn practical tips, do speaking exercises, and build your confidence. We'll spend the next some minutes by exploring the topic, doing activities, and tackling your fear of speaking English, so that, by the end, you'll feel ready to speak with confidence. Let's dive in. To begin, let's talk about why you might be afraid to speak English. The first step to solving any problem is understanding what's causing it. Many of you might feel afraid because you're worried about making mistakes. Mistakes can feel embarrassing, right? You might worry someone will laugh or correct you. But here's the truth. Making mistakes is how you learn. Every mistake you make gets you closer to fluency. The truth is, most people don't judge. They actually respect you for trying. Finally, there's perfectionism. Are you waiting to speak until you sound perfect? Let me tell you, perfection is not the goal. Communication is. To overcome this fear, you need to change your mindset. First, remember that mistakes are learning opportunities. Think about how babies learn to speak. They make tons of mistakes, but no one laughs at them. Why? Because mistakes are part of learning. Second, focus on communication, not perfection. If someone understands what you're saying, you've succeeded. Even native speakers make mistakes. Third, start small. Don't aim to have long, complex conversations immediately. Begin with short sentences like, "How are you?" or "Thank you." To build your confidence, let's do a quick exercise together. Repeat after me. I can do this. It's okay to make mistakes. Every word I speak makes me better. Doesn't that feel good? Say it to yourself whenever you feel nervous. Once you've shifted your mindset, it's time to build your speaking confidence. The best way to start is by practicing small, manageable steps. For example, practice speaking to yourself in the mirror. Look yourself in the eyes and say simple sentences like, "Today is a good day." It feels silly at first, but it works. You can also record yourself using your phone. Say a few sentences, then listen to the recording. Don't focus on the mistakes, focus on what you did well, and notice your progress. Start with simple phrases like, "My name is," or "learning English." As a fun challenge, pause this video and try introducing yourself in 2 sentences. If you're brave, share your introduction in the comments. Another great way to build confidence is by learning common phrases that you can use right away. For example, start with greetings like, "Hi, how are you?" or phrases for asking for help, such as, "Can you help me please?" You can also practice polite responses like, "Thank you so much." Let's try a quick role play. Imagine you're at a cafe. Repeat after me. "Hi, can I have a coffee please?" Now imagine you're asking for directions. "Excuse me, where is the train station?" These small scenarios help you feel more prepared for real-life situations. It's also important to find safe places to practice your English. Start by talking to yourself in English while cooking or getting ready in the morning. Narrate what you're doing by saying things like, "I'm brushing my teeth," or "Now I'm making breakfast." Another great option is joining online platforms like HelloTalk or Tandem, where you can practice with other learners and native speakers. Finally, Practice with a friend or family member who is supportive. Having someone encouraging by your side can make a huge difference. When you're ready, you can do more advanced speaking exercises. One of the best methods is listening and repeating. Listen to sentences from a podcast, TV show, or YouTube clip, then repeat what you hear. For example, repeat after me. What's your name? Or I live in. Focus on how the words sound and try to match the rhythm of the sentence. Another great exercise is role-playing. Let's act out some common scenarios together. Repeat after me. Hi, I'd like to order pasta please, or excuse me, how do I get to the library? Role-playing helps you practice for real-life situations in a low-pressure way. To make speaking part of your daily routine, try labeling objects around your home with their English names. For example, put a stick Y note on your refrigerator that says fridge. You can also narrate your day out loud by saying, I'm cooking breakfast, or I'm going to work. Another idea is to use apps or tools like ChatGPT or Duolingo to practice short conversations daily. Now, is talk about how to build a consistent speaking routine. Here's a simple plan you can follow every day. Spend 5 minutes listening to an English podcast or video. Then, spend another 5 minutes repeating sentences from what you heard. Finally, spend 5 minutes speaking on your own. This could be talking to yourself, practicing phrases, or narrating your day. These small steps will add up over time and make speaking English feel natural.